Alright guys, welcome back to another unboxing here. We got a special package from Coverado. Their sheet covers for you guys' cars, trucks. I'm gonna unbox them, install them on the truck, and yeah. Okay, here they are. About to open them right now, I'll show you guys up close, but that's how the package comes. It comes in a cool case. And of course, once again, shout out to Coverado. I'll leave their Instagram, TikTok, their socials down in the description. You guys can go check them out and get some seat covers for your guys' cars and trucks. Alright, here they are up close. It's like nice leather. And once again, shout out Coverado. So nice. It's like it's nice leather. Can't wait to install them. But alright, so this is how they look. I'm gonna bring the truck inside and install them. Alright guys, here they are up closer. I don't think they have a left and right, so I'm just gonna this one driver's seat and the other one passenger seat. Hopefully you guys can see, because I was supposed to have another person help me film, but that didn't work out. There's a cover for this too. I will install that in a bit. My main focus right now is to put this on, which doesn't seem too difficult. It seems easy, just slips on. Well, I need to see if I have stuff back here. I'm not done yet, but that's how it looks right now. Not done yet because I need the bottom piece and the head piece, obviously, but it looks nice. It's nice leather. So yeah, I'm gonna put this on. I'm gonna put the bottom seat and then the head piece, and then we'll move on to the other side. I just got the headpiece on. This is how it looks. It's nice leather. Shout out to Coverado sending me these leathers cover sheets. I am almost done with the front seat. I'll show you guys in like 2 seconds. Alright guys, this is how it looks. Got the head, this piece, and the bottom seat. It makes the truck look so much nicer compared to like the other one. And then compared to this, so much nicer. So shout out again for Coverado. Send me these seat covers, and then on to the next one. Alright guys, just finished installing the cover sheets. Look beautiful. Look, the stitches, everything. It's it looks like it comes like factory with the car, to be honest. Go get you guys some cover sheets and then make sure to give them a follow on Instagram, TikTok, all their social media. So shout out to them. So I mean, these beautiful car cover sheets. It looks so nice. Like, look at the details. But yeah, shout out once again to for sending me these car seat covers. And that's the other side. There's kind of sunlight, but they look like this, so shout out to them. Thank you.